Okay, so right now, this is a demonstration of how to use the bus services, My Transport. Okay, when right now, first you must know where you're standing. So I'm now standing at the bus station 60119. The bus stop name is called Overseas Boon Keng Station. So that's the starting point. Yeah. So I have to determine where am I going. So my destination is go to Maxwell Road Food Market. And from this station, we'll take a look at the bus stop itself, and then we use My Transport to see where you're going, right? So you can see all bus stop will have this, the bus services, where it goes and so on. Okay, very important here is to take note that every bus stop, but apart from just now you see from the stand itself, there's also a blue one, this big picture here to show this is 60119. This is important because as you board the bus itself, you really have to count either the number of bus stops you need to alight, or you can look at this station stop code number. Alright, from here we do a search which bus to take. So from here, I'll type in Maxwell Road Market. So you come out Maxwell. Make sure you select the right one. Okay, so the current location on top indicate that I'm standing where I am. Of course, just now as mentioned, we are standing at Overseas Boon Keng Station. And from there, I will choose the bus itself. So you can see that there is a few options, 857, 166, and 147, and 133. So from here, you can see the list. You can choose 26 minutes up to the longest. So assuming we take the first one, 857 to 166. Okay, the whole route it will be displayed here. As you can see, this is where I am at station A. And then the destination point is somewhere at B. And they may say, oh, how do I determine where to alight or interchange the buses itself? Okay, you just flip at the bottom and you can see I'm starting at Boon Keng Station. I'll take bus 857 for about 7 stops, and then I alight at Overseas Boon Keng Station exit bay to board bus 166, and then another 5 more stops I'll drop near the Overseas Sri Mariamman Temple, and then I walk for about 0.3 kilometer, and I should reach the Maxwell Road Market. Right, so from here, right, so we will wait for the bus to come, and then now you go to this step here all the way out, and you click on bus arrival time, and then you select which bus station. As you can see, the first one is Overseas Boon Keng Station, station 60119. I hit on that. Okay, I'm taking bus 857. So you scroll up, right? 857 has just arrived. So no problem, the bus is just beginning to move. So we wait for the next one. So you can see that this is a loop. 857 start from Yishun Interchange to Yishun Interchange. So to find out where are we now, okay, you can scroll up. Okay, let's do another click here. 857. Okay, from here you can just see that the next bus coming is about 8 minutes, followed by 16 minutes, right? So we take a look. Okay, you can see. So the once you scroll the bus services, the route itself, you will be able to see where are you right now. As you can see, my nearest bus stop is Overseas. So we have to take about like 7 stations, right? So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we are like at the Overseas Bencoolen station number. As you can see, every stop there will be a bus stop code number, which station B is at 04019. Okay, once I board the bus, I'll show you how you do you determine where to alight. Okay, right now I've done my buying for my own T&T at Maxwell Road Market. I will walk from here My destination is at OG People's Park. So how am I gonna walk from here, Maxwell Road Market to OG People's Park? Now open the map. Click on the Google Map, and then you type OG People's Park. Okay. Okay, OG People's Park. So you can see that the map is visible upstairs. I'll just show you. We go for the direction. Okay, from here you can see that over here, you can see that if you really take a motorcycle, it's going to be 4 minutes. Take a train or bus, it will be 10 minutes. And walking is 8 minutes. And of course, if you can do a bicycle, which I do not have, unless I borrow, rent, or can steal one, which is 6 minutes away. So right now, I will do a start. Okay, let me show you at the bottom. It's about 8 minutes and about 650 meters. So I click on the man first. Okay, you can see. Actually, will show you how I'm gonna walk from this location, head northeast, 260 meters, and then turn left on Pagoda. So this is the overview. But how to actually walk from there? Okay, I'll use the dotted line which is indicated on the map, as you can see here. Okay. You see the point here? I'm start point near the Bespoke Car Yen. My destination is a small little red pin dot over there. So you can see this big round circle button here. So as I walk along the way, I would maybe lost somewhere in between among the building itself. Then of course I can also use the live view, which is located next to the start button. So right now I'll determine how should I walk. So I can start by clicking on the start button here. So as a start, I may not know, am I facing north, south, east or west? Actually I'm an idiot, I also don't know where am I heading. So I will try and click on that. And then, okay, so this is where I am now. You see that the blue little button, there's a sort of an angular light blue, the cave, there's the beam that's beaming up. Okay, so to determine, are you walking the right direction? Yeah, I know the dotted line, but as I'm standing right in front of the Maxwell Road Market, which arrow should I be seeing? Okay, the worst to do is, of course, you walk maybe about a few minutes to determine whether your arrow is correct. So now I choose this way first. As you can see, I'm walking away from the dotted line. Can you see? In fact, I'm walking near to the Fairfield Methodist Church itself, which I find that this is wrong. Okay, so you're out of the white circle. You see that? Okay, to determine, so in this case, if I'm wrong, I should rotate myself 360 degrees. You see the thing turn? Alright, so we'll just continue here and walk, and I should be on the same thing here. So I'm approaching the so-called the Maxwell MRT station. So I'll give you a view of how my view look like since I'm on now at the street level. So I have to point my camera at building.
Park may not be open yet when you arrive.
There. Okay, you can see this big arrow here. It's telling me that I should be using that. I'll walk along here. Okay, it's showing I should walk straight. The big arrow, okay, pointing me that I should continue to walk straight. Okay, be safe. Okay, straight. Okay, off the camera, switch over to the map. Okay. So you see, I have to walk straight all the way down. There's some road slide saw here. Next to my left is my temple. And okay, we're going down. Right. Okay, it's telling me to turn right. Okay, you see the red pin is coming up ready to park.
You have arrived.
Again. Okay, done. So you show that you are, or you have reached OG People's Park. It opens at 11 a.m. soon, and there's a click to show that it's done. And there you are. We have arrived at OG People's Park. Let me just show you OG People's Park. Okay, there you are. Okay, and from here, let's say we go to the map. So since we're here, okay, you may say, okay, let's explore what is nice at People's Park here. And you know that there's this recently renovated People's Park, I don't know, call it a hawker center or whatever. The second or third floor is all the shops selling textiles and hardwares and essential stuff. The below one is actually the fruit store, nambakan and things like that. So we do explore. Then we will see. Okay, you can see that it has restaurant, coffee, and shopping. So let's just search for coffee, and you can actually look at, say, alright, you have one Upshot Specialty Coffee. There's one at 12224A coffee shop. There's a S11 and there's a Nanyang Coffee. So from here, that's the restaurant. And of course, if you think you want to go to Nanyang Old Coffee, there's a button to start on the direction again. So this is where it'll bring you over there. Definitely you have to walk because it should be quite nearby. I can see the walking is only 2 minutes. And of course, once you decided you want to go drink Nanyang cold coffee, teh C, whatever, then you press the start button and you should see a map from there, and you will follow the routing using the dotted line or the live view. Right, thank you. Okay, right now I'm going to show you, let's say using the Google Map itself, the live view, and even the dotted that you see on the map couldn't get you to where you are and you are lost and you need some kind of help. Of course, for police, you can still call the normal usual number, but let's say in a place that you don't need to trouble the police, but maybe just your friend or someone close to you, your son or daughter or whatever, there is a way to do it. In this case, you have to use your WhatsApp. You activate that one. All right. So, of course, you have to choose a person you want to send to. In this case, I'm sending it to myself or to someone. So, from here, you use the bottom left, which is a plus button here. So you can see that the first one is actually a camera, second photo, document, and a location. So I select location. So right here, then the map will pinpoint to where you are right now. So I want to share a live location because I need help. And the person who need to retrieve me or extract me need to know where I am at this point in time. So I select live location, and you have a choice of say show it for 50 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Okay, I just select for 50 minutes. You have to put a text, say help me, I am lost. Okay, and then you just send, and the person will get your message immediately. All right, so this is how you send your live location to anyone that you need help.